She has a blog. She's a laundromat blogger. And she doesn't know Danny D'Angelo. Really? Roxanne?
Uh-huh.
Hi there. I got your number from Dad. Apologies. Tommy gave me your number. My name is Danny. Calling on some commercial space, your laundromat on Greenville Street.
Yeah.
That's what I do as well. My partner and I, Roxanne, have been in the laundry business for about 15 years. We are looking to build out some more stores in the area. And I don't know, maybe you and I can talk and do business, or perhaps part as friends. I'm always looking for locations with infrastructure, the gas, water, and electric that's there. And we retool our stores, put some new equipment in. Your dad said you probably wouldn't be interested, but I figured I'd give you a call as we're looking for more stores right now. And, you know, my intrigue is turning you back into a landlord, if you will, and providing a rent check at this spot. If you're doing well, making the money, and you're happy as an operator, I understand laundries are great businesses. If it's not time for a retool and you want to keep the place, God bless America. We're interested in discussing lease terms if it's time.
Yeah, I'm good. What type of equipment do y'all do?
Great question. Doesn't matter to me. I have relationships with Hips, Speed Queen, Wascomat, American Dryer, Dexter. But the equipment, as you know, as an operator, it's all the same. You know, they'll try to tell you there is the Cadillac and the Honda, but really it's all the same. So for me, it's about that relationship and, really more importantly, the best price for the equipment. But that's a good question. I guess the answer is it doesn't really matter much to me.
You want to give me a price on what you would charge?
Charge for what?
What you would pay what do you do? You just want the laundromat space?
Yeah, I'm just interested in discussing lease terms and becoming a tenant for you. I haven't bought a store in 15 years. As you know, no offense, certainly you might look to sell the place and get some cash out, or sell the building as well. But what we are looking for right now is just doing lease terms.
I gotcha. Okay, yeah, I'm good with my laundromat business.
Good. Should I avoid any other stores? Dad said you had a few of them.
I've got a couple. I've got one in Piedmont. Now, that might be something I might rent to you.
Okay. What's the square footage on that store?
I don't really know.
How many washers do you have?
I don't really know.
All right. Well, we're going to go out and have a look. Obviously, my partner and I are local, but, and I'm not looking to step on toes. We might be interested, but here's what let me ask. I don't want to put words in your mouth. Why would you be willing to get rid of that store? I have a thought, but I don't want to express that.
Williamston is my hometown.
Okay.
And I love my customer base. And I actually do a Laundromat blog. And the sort of local crowd faces. This is sort of, it's my baby. And
you said you do a blog?
I do. I have a little laundry blog.
Okay.
So I can't sell my laundromat, and then my laundry blog would be bust.
And that's your fun. I get it. We all got to have a hobby. Well, that's a great answer. And you know, I'm not looking to cut any throats here. I'm looking to make friends. And I could say, why would I want the store that you don't want? Because it's likely a dog. But your answer makes sense. It's too far.
I like having two. You know, I know people do bookings of them, but I like having two, just, you know, for cash flow and things like that. But my hometown, I just feel a little more loyalty towards that. And,
no, I understand. To be honest, that's a great answer. Again, I didn't looking to put words in your mouth. I'd say, well, geez, I don't want the store that she doesn't want because that's the one that's not earning. But potentially I know what it's like. I had my furthest store being 45 minutes away, that's a bit of a drive. But then as you build your route and you put more stores in between, it certainly makes a lot more sense because it's not a 45-minute drive. It's 5 minutes to the first, 10 minutes to the second, et cetera.
Right.
And you're building a route, so to speak. What? Let me ask you, you're not sure of the square footage. We're going to go have a look and see what we can see. Now, I want to be crystal clear so we know that it's not a waste of any of our time. We are looking to discuss lease terms with you, and whatever that lease rate, if it's commensurate, we will retool the store and put new equipment in. And I'm not looking to provide key fees or give you X amount of dollars up front, if that makes sense.
It would just be a rental situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
Long term.
You can certainly, long term. You can certainly give me a price.
Good. Okay. Well, I'll have a look, and then I'm going to come back and beat you up because I need to know what you need to collect. So start thinking about that. I can't be the jumping off point. I can't tell you what you should be collecting. I haven't gathered information.
I know what I used to pay. I know what I paid for the building. I do know what it's worth. I know. I do. I haven't had the Piedmont one very long, so I've probably had it, and the other one I've had for about 12 years. So.
Okay. Well, listen, I appreciate the inside information. I truly do. Already spoke to Dad. He said, give you a call. And here we are through the process. And whether or not you own the building outright or you have a mortgage or, you got Tony the loan shark breathing down your neck, that's all your business. I just need to know what that rate of rent is.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll be thinking about it. Give me a holler back.
Well, it sounds like you're close. What do you think?
What do you mean?
Do you know what you would charge in monthly rent? Yeah.
Oh, I don't know exactly.
Okay.
I just take my kids up for their first day of school, so I'm gonna.
All right. God bless. Let me have a look at it, and I'll give you a call back. This is my cell phone number.
Okay, sounds good. What's your name again?
Danny, and my partner is Jeff.
Danny. What's your last name, Danny?
D'Angelo.
D'Angelo. Okay, thank you.
Cheers.
Okay, bye.
She's gone. Can we just talk about how preposterous this is? And what am I talking about? What am I talking about?
That she was willing to let go of one but not the other.
No, she has a good excuse for that. She doesn't give a shit. Even in South Carolina, she's a rich kid. But what am I taking away from this? What am I saying is so ridiculous?
That she doesn't know the rate of rent that she wants.
I have such high hopes for you, Jeff. She has a blog. She's a laundromat blogger. And she doesn't know Danny D'Angelo. Really?
Yeah.
Is her blog... Is her blog handwritten on notepads and she hands them out to people, or is it on the goddamn internet?
It's on the internet, man.
Make me understand this. Again and again, bro.
She knows.
People come in and they look at my information from afar and they say, oh, this guy's tapped out. Everybody knows who he is. He's so everywhere. He's so popular. There's conservatively 35,000 laundromats in the continental U.S.
Yep.
And I'm on the daily calling these landlords and they say, oh, hey, Danny, I know who you are. You ain't going to get my store. I'm dumbfounded.
Yeah.
She has a blog.
Yep.
Wow. It must be, okay. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.